Question number 35. 2x articles cost rupees 5x plus 54 and x plus 2 similar articles cost rupees 10x minus 4. Find x. Cost of 2x article is equal to rupees 5x plus 54. Cost of one article is equal to 5x plus 54 divided by 2x, and cost of x plus 2 articles is equal to 10x minus 4. It's given. So cost of one article is equal to 10x minus 4 upon x plus 2. So first equation, first equal to second. Cost of one article is equal to 5x plus 54 upon 2x, and cost of one article is equal to 10x minus 4 upon x plus 2. So first equal to second. Let us its equation first, its second. First equal to second. That is 5x plus 54 divided by 2x is equal to 10x minus 4 upon x plus 2. Cross multiplying, which implies 5x plus 54 into x plus 2 equal to 2x into 10x minus 4. 5x into x, that is equal to 5x square. 5x into 2, 5 2 are 10x. 54 into x, that is 54x. 54 2 are 108 is equal to 2x into 10x, that is 10 2 are 20x square. 2x into 4, 4 2 are 8x. We are shifting left side in right. This will be 20x square as it is, minus 5x square. This will be negative, and minus 8x minus 10x minus 54x minus 108 equal to 0. This will be negative. And 20x square minus 5x square, which implies 15x square, and 54 plus 10, 64 plus 8, that is 72x. Minus 108 equal to 0. We are taking common 3. Equation will be 5x square minus 3 2 are 6, 3 4 are 12x minus 3 3 are 9, 3 6 are 18 equal to 0. 3 not equal to 0, and 5x square minus 24x minus 36 equal to 0. We are factorizing product of first and last equal to minus 180x square. 36 5 are 180 minus 180x square. We are taking two numbers, that is 5x square minus 30x 6x minus 30x plus 6x equal to minus 24x. That is minus 30x plus 6x minus 36 equal to 0. Minus 30x plus 6x equal to minus 24x, which implies 5x is taking common in bracket x minus 6, x minus 6 in bracket plus 6 is common equal to 0. 5x plus 6 or x minus 6 equal to 0, which implies 5x plus 6 equal to 0 or x minus 6 is equal to 0, which implies x is equal to 6 and x is equal to minus 6 upon 5. This is negative, so we get the value of x is equal to 6. Answer. Question 36. A trader buys X articles for a total cost of rupees 600. Write down the cost of one article in terms of X. If the cost of per article were rupees 5 more, the number of articles that can be bought for 600 would be 4 less. Write down the equation in X for the above situation and solve it to find X. Total cost of article is equal to rupees 600. Number of article is equal to X. Write down the cost of one article. So cost of one article is equal to 600 upon X. If the cost of per article were rupees 5 more, the number of articles that can be bought for 600 rupees would be 4 less. According to question, 600 upon x minus 4 is equal to 600 upon x plus 5. And second statement is, write down the equation in X from the above situation and solve it to find X. That is 600 upon x minus 4. This is shifting left side. 600 upon x is equal to 5, which implies 600 is taking common 1 upon x minus 4 minus 1 upon x is equal to 5, and cross multiplying 600 into x minus x plus 4 divided by x square minus 4x, LCM is equal to 5. X is cancelled, and which implies 600 into 4 divided by 5. This is divisible by 5, and x square minus 4x is shifting right side. That is x square minus 4x. And 12 5s are 60. 125s are 600. 124s are 480. 480 is equal to x square minus 4x, which implies this is shifting in right side, and x raised to power 2 minus 4x minus 480 equal to 0. We are factorizing prime factors of first and last. Multiplication of first and last is 480x square negative, and prime factors of 480 is equal to 2, 240, 2, 120, 260, 230, 2 to jar 4 to jar 8 to jar 16, and 215. 3, 5, 3 to jar 6, 6 to jar 12, 12 to jar 24, and 5 to jar 10 to jar 20. Factor is x raised to power 2 minus 24x plus 20x minus 480 is equal to 0. Minus 24x plus 24x, that is equal to minus 4x, and their product will be minus 480 x square. So we are taking common x minus 24 in bracket, x minus 24 in bracket, and plus 20 is common equal to 0. X minus 24 and x plus 20 is equal to 0, which implies x is equal to 24 or x is equal to minus 20. So value of x is equal to 24. Answer. Cost of two articles is equal to 5x plus 54 given. Then cost of one article is equal to 5x plus 54 upon 2x. It's equation first. And similar, cost of x plus 2 articles is 10x minus 4. Cost of one article is equal to 10x minus 4 upon 2. Equation first, equation second, and first equation equal to second. We get 5x plus 54 upon 2x equal to 10x minus 4 upon x plus 2. Cross multiplying, and we get 5x square plus 10x plus 54x plus 108 is equal to 20x square minus 8x. We are shifting left side in right. This will be negative, positive will be negative, this positive will be negative, 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 and 20x square minus 5x square is equal to 15x square. And sum of 8x, 10x, 54x is 72x minus 108 equal to 0. We are taking common 3 in bracket. 5x square minus 24x minus 36 equal to 0. 3 not equal to 0, and 5x square minus 24x minus 36 equal to 0. It's a quadratic equation. We are splitting by middle term. Product of first and last is 180x square, and we are taking two numbers, that is minus 30x plus 6x is equal to minus 24x. Minus 30x plus 6x, 5x is taking common, and x minus 6 in bracket. 5x plus 6 and x minus 6 equal to 0. Either 5x plus 6 equal to 0 or x minus 6 equal to 0. X is equal to minus 6 upon 5, which is negative. So x is equal to positive 6. We get the value of x equal to 6. Answer. And question 36, total cost of article is equal to rupees 600. Number of article is x. Cost of one article is 600 upon x. And if the cost of per article rupees 5 more, the number of articles that can be bought for 600 would be 4 less, 600 upon 4 less, x minus 4, 600 upon x minus 4, according to given information, 600 upon x minus 4 less than 4 is equal to 600 upon x plus more 5, more than 5 plus 5. 600 upon x, we are shifting this in left side and it gives a quadratic equation. 600 is taking common and cross multiplying, we get x minus minus plus 4, x is cancel, and 600 multiplied by 4 and divided by 5 is equal to x square minus 4x, shifting right side. This will be x square minus 4x, and 5 divides left side. This is divisible by 120 and 124 are 480. X square minus 4x is equal to 480. 480 is shifting right side. This will be negative and it's a quadratic equation. So we are splitting by middle term. Prime factors of 480 we get 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 5. 3 2 are 6, 2 are 12, 2 are 24, 5 2 are 10, 2 are 20. Minus 24x plus 20x. Minus 24x plus 20x, that is equal to minus 4x, and their product will be minus 480x square. So we are taking common x minus 24 in bracket plus 20 is common, x minus 24 in bracket. One root x minus 24, other root x plus 20 is equal to 0. X is equal to positive 24 or x is equal to negative 20. So we get value of x is equal to 24 answer. Thank you.